When we made space jumpers, we spent quite a lot of time perfecting the jetpack. It had to feel just right for mobile players to enjoy. And we think we landed on something pretty special. Now you can easily drop it into your own world. No coding skills required. We designed this jetpack to be as user-friendly and fun as possible. When players grab it, the jetpack automatically snaps onto their back. No fiddling required. One button press and whoosh! They're soaring through the air like space heroes. Add a few platforms and bam! You've got yourself a jetpack platformer in no time. And because no space adventure is complete without them, we built in lasers. Jetpacks plus lasers equals instant fun. Go on, enjoy the ride. The Jetpack asset is ridiculously easy to use, even if you've never touched TypeScript. Just drop the asset into your world, read the handy README, and you're ready for liftoff. No coding required. Customizing is just as smooth. Click on the Jetpack controller and pop open the Properties window. Here you can tweak the lift power, swap out the laser or jet sounds, and even trade the smoke trail particles for something more wild. Tinker, test, and take off. Your sky's the limit.